This video will show you how to create and insert clickable links in your Microsoft Excel. Select the cell in which you want to create your link. Click Insert. Click Link. Click Place in this document. Enter the cell location that you want to link to. Click OK to apply your finished link. Select the cell in which you want to create your link. Click Link. Enter the cell location that you want to link to. Change the displayed text. Click OK to apply your finished link. You can use the Hyperlink function to create a link that opens a document that is stored on a network server or the Internet. Type =, hyperlink. Link location. Friendly name, enclosed in a parenthesis. Link location is the path and file name to the document to be opened as text. Friendly name is the jump text or numeric value that is displayed in the cell. When you click the cell that contains the hyperlink function, Excel opens the file that is stored at the location of the link.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.